Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I am working on an ND Miata. It's actually my coworker's, and we're gonna make a couple videos, maybe more than a couple hopefully, building his car up and tracking it next year. This year actually, it's January 2nd now, I keep forgetting that. So yeah, we're gonna head over there and we're going to install an exhaust today. If you are wondering the status of the Midwest, it's 26 degrees out, so a little sad. I am with my coworker, Victor.
Hey guys.
Victor is an engineer, I work in marketing, but we're both Miata bros. We've got a couple Miata bros at HP Tuners. Tell us about your car. Obviously you've owned it for like a year and a half, and you are doing a lot of racing.
Yeah, mostly track days.
Yeah.
I bought it brand new like March of almost 2 years ago, and did my first track day 2,000 miles in. So from that point I was hooked, and slowly I've been adding sway bars, small modifications, but now it's time to really step it up and make it a weekend/track car. So now I got a big brake kit installed, just installed it a couple months ago. It's a stock kit, should be just fine. The main benefit is brake pads are super cheap. You can get a set of pads for less than $100 compared to $5,300 for the factory brakes. Aside from that, I got the sway bars already installed, the Fly Miata ones, and this winter, I've got a long list of things to do. Like I already installed an oil cooler for the engine, but also I want to get one for the transmission and the diff. So that's gonna be going on soon, and also get the exhaust and the brake booster adjuster kit that we're actually gonna install today.
Yeah, sweet.
So, yeah.
So what exhaust is that?
So that's from Goodwin Racing. I got the RoadsterSport race exhaust, mostly because it's lightweight and it's pretty much a straight pipe for the cutback, so it's gonna be a bit louder and nicer sounding. It's a bit too much from what I've heard if you have full headers and basically if you change the full exhaust, but if it's just a cutback, it's gonna be just fine.
Right.
So yeah, it's lightweight, should sound nice, and we'll see.
Yeah, that'll be cool. Nice to have a little extra noise.
Oh yeah.
All right, so obviously pretty quiet. So let's make it a little louder. It's so weird to have a resonator so far back, but if it works, it works, you know?
The issue with most cutbacks is once you install it, you get a lot of drone.
Yeah.
And that's a big issue.
Like mine.
Yeah, exactly. Like yours, especially at 4,000 RPM on the highway.
Yeah.
So that's what they claim, that this cutback that Goodwin made, they say it's a helmet chamber, I think, and it's supposed to eliminate all drone.
Gotcha.
We'll see.
Yeah. Cool. That's sweet. Well, should be a pretty easy install. Yep. All right, so under ND Miata, coming from an NB, it looks fairly similar. You still have the PPF. What's super nice is your bolts on the PPF are way easier to get out. So on mine, the bolt is like this long, and it's just it's awful. Bracing looks pretty similar. It's almost less.
There is less because I took both of them off.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
What's that?
Well, for the oil change and the transmission.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So there's more in the front over there.
So there's 2 more braces, yeah.
Okay, gotcha. Makes sense. Cool. All right, so we got mid pipe. Good. So these are the bolts that we're gonna be doing, and a big old muffler. So should be pretty easy. Nice. Got 2 hangers here. Assuming there's 2 over there. Yep. Cool.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if it's crackable.
After plenty of big blaster. Okay.
Ooh, easy.
Okay.
Nice. Oh. Oh.
Okay. We'll see.
easy. Oh.
Okay. Yep.
Time to repeat that all over times.
I'm good.
Good.
It's pretty heavy. Okay.
All right, so here's the stock muffler. You should pick them up. Tell me how big the difference is.
In the weight? Oh.
Yeah. What do your arms feel?
I'm not good at this.
Very scientific.
I would say it's half.
Yeah? Half?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. It's a pretty good weight savings.
Yeah.
I want to buy one of these for myself.
The Miata. Yeah, let's get some soapy water.
All right, Victor is grabbing some soapy water. We're just gonna kind of make it easy for ourselves getting the hangers back on. Yeah, man, working on an ND is kind of nice. Everything's so clean and like well thought out. It's a very, very different car, but you can see the NB in certain areas, so that's kind of cool. Yeah, I don't know. Every once in a while, I kind of find myself thinking it'd be kind of fun to own one. It's actually got a really, really cool brake setup from StopTech. This would be sweet. Let me get a. I will say this is the first time I've seen someone use a like a bucket.
Let's see if the lube helps.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, it should kind of push the exhaust down when you tighten it.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, well, let's tighten it up and see what's happening.
So this is threaded. The stock one had a weld nut on the other side. So it'll be interesting to see how well this works. I'm assuming it's the same pitch
Should be.
as the stock one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it works.
Yeah, cool. So you're having some trouble finding the hole?
Yeah, once I get the bolt in one hole, it won't go in the other one.
That's what she said. Oh yeah, see how much it's... Well, you can see from my angle. It's basically lifting up on this. Yeah. She do the honors.
Yeah. Slides right off. I think it'll be bigger.
It is, yeah, it's a little small.
Yeah, it's got a hole for the baffle if I want to add one.
For the what? For a little
so you
like,
cannot-
silencer?
Yeah,
Yeah.
they sell the baffles. I think it's like $50 for one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's reasonable.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got the RoadsterSport logo up top.
It's a nice touch.
Yep.
Cool.
Okay.
All right, want to start it up?
Let's see how it sounds.
Sweet. Yeah, obviously guys, it's the winter right now and the car is in full project mode, so can't drive it yet, but gives you guys like a good idea of how it will sound. That's pretty good. I like it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's nothing like over the top or anything, but yeah, it'll be cool. We'll do like more driving in springtime.
Yeah,
get some actual
maybe on the
clips.
street, maybe on the track.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Yeah, definitely. Some schmutz on there. All right, so there you have it. That is ND Miata exhaust. We were going to install a variable brake booster. We actually did, but it got a little wonky and we don't know if it for sure works yet. So I'm not gonna put that in this video, obviously. That's cool. ND Miatas are very cool. I enjoyed that. They are, you can see little glimpses of NA and NB Miata here and there. You know, like the PPF is very similar and the bracing. It's interesting. And I did like working on it. So maybe in the future, I don't know, who knows? But anyway, that's gonna do it for today's video. My New Year's resolution is to make simpler content. I find that I overcomplicate things, and that makes me not post. So I'm going to literally just start filming and posting on YouTube. I'm going to be as simple as possible, because I've ruined a lot of videos by overthinking things, and then like it goes nowhere. And yeah, so hopefully I can, you know, upload a little bit more this year. I'd like to, and yeah. All right, cool. Well, have a good one.